Welcome everybody to another opening. Polly, show your face. Yeah. So this is my cousin Polly, and he got a big Easter basket, and this was one of the things that was in it. So Polly, start opening it now. And this is his groceries already. He had a lot more, but he lost them all. Alright, what, need help? No? Okay. Yeah, he's got it. Come on. Use your muscles if you have any. I don't think you do, but maybe.
Okay, I
want me to do it? Yeah, you just. Now you just tear the wrap and dog! Your catapult flew. Okay, that was weird. Alright, who are your guys? Ooh, this is one of them. He got Captain Crud Zapper. Do you like him?
What,
Captain Crud Zapper.
That's what you were talking about?
Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm going to scoot you a little closer.
Captain
Crud
cool. Zapper.
So, yeah. What's your next guy? Hey, he has a taser. He likes it. Do you like it?
Yeah. Oh, this is
cool. Ooh, he's cool. I have no clue what his name is. Polly, I'm gonna use my list to look up what his name is, okay? Let's see here. Hopefully you guys think this video is entertaining, because I have nothing good for you.
Where's this weapon?
What?
This gray weapon.
What mystery weapon? It's right there.
This gray one here. I think I lost this gray one. I lost it.
I don't know. We'll look for it. Where is your guy? Wait, what color is he? Okay, he's pink with a mini police hat. Oh, he is Sergeant Scrabby Sharpener. Sergeant Scrabby Sharpener. Okay. Want me to look? Where? Whoa, look at this weapon. Look at that weapon, guys. Whoa, look at him. Oh, that's already one of your guys. Polly, I'm going to look who he is. I think he's rare. Whoa, he is cool. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure. What? Where is he? Maybe he's... What? Guys, I'm having trouble finding all these. Hold on, let me see him. He's like purple hat. What? I can't find him. Wait. Why is your guy so hard to find? I'm pretty sure he's part.
What is this guy?
No clue. I'm gonna look for him after. We want to find out what he is.
Captain. What is this guy called?
Sergeant Scrappy Sharpener. Alright, this is too hard to find. We need to find it for the audience.
I'm gonna fling this guy.
Okay, watch, guys. Hit Polly. Do it in the camera, like over here. Oh, hi! And it went over there. Polly, are you gonna get that?
Yes.
Yeah, you get it. I have no idea where this guy is. You got a guy we'll never find. I'm pretty sure he's part of the paratrooper.
No, he's a bad guy.
Yeah, he's a paratrooper.
I got all the bad guys.
Okay, he's not paratrooper then.
What does paratrooper mean?
Wait, he is Smelly Spider. He's a spy, but he's a spider. Smelly Spider. And he is a rare, Paul. You got a rare person.
This is the guy that you first said.
Captain Crud Zapper. Okay.
Hey. I wanted this
Yeah, I
kind of
gotta fold this back up. Oh!
Oh, that hurt my face. Oh,
Well, too bad. Well, that's just
I
bad
found
for
it.
you. Yeah, it's right there. Wait, oh, you found the weapon?
Yeah, for him.
That's good.
What is his weapon?
I don't know.
I got all bad
All right,
guys.
I'm having trouble folding this back. Usually I don't have this.
Look at them. Dun 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 dun.
Maybe this is the way. I don't think.
Look at all of the. Look
Why
at.
am I so bad at this?
Look at.
You're not shooting anybody.
I know.
So
Look
what's
at.
the point?
I need a catapult for these guys.
You could use the same thing.
I know, but I want to keep this one here.
That.
These are all the guys I got.
Let's show him off again. Sergeant Spider, he's a spider. And let's see. I'm gonna look up this guy's name. He may be rare. Let's see.
Look at what this guy can do. Look at what his.
Oh, wait. Hold on.